film resolve, dissolve in your videos. It's like, you know, in trailers when it goes black, basically that. So what first, make this a bit bigger. Then you want to go File, New, then Color Matte. Then you want to make sure it's black, so it is. Press OK. Then that's fine. Then you've got this thing here. So basically, obviously you want to time this to the music. So that rather than having it just go like that, then play, then suddenly come back on. Of course, like, you want to make this the right timings with the music, but what you want to do to make it sort of slowly go into that, you want to go to effects up here, then you go to video effects, go down to transition, no, this one, yeah, video transitions, then you go and dissolve, then film dissolve here. So what I want to do is drag it to this little FX bit here, then press that in. So now you can zoom in on this. So when you're playing it, it works. There you go. See, it slowly does it like that. Then with this, you can make it go longer or shorter. So we'll try it longer, just to show you what will happen. So you press play, then like slowly like dissolves. Struggling to render it because I've got loads of shit on in the moment, but wow, it's fucking hell, that's not good. Basically, it just does it right really slowly. It's like it slowly sort of blacks it out. And obviously you can do this in time with the music as well. So for this one, I'm using this. I've muted the song just because I can't be asked for all this copyright shit. But you can also do it at the end as well. So it dissolves in and dissolves out as well. So rather than it just being black, like, it'll go in slowly, be black, then it'll slowly come back in like that. But it's not showing it clearly because it's been slow today for some reason. But yeah, that's basically what you can do. You can do the same with audio as well. So what you have to do here, let's close this. You go to audio transitions, crossfade. Then at the start, you probably want to say constant gain for the music. So zoom this in a little bit. If you go to constant gain, so this is the audio bit, so you put that here. So from here it'll start quiet and suddenly get louder. As well, you can do this at the end as well, which I will be doing. So what you do, I think it's called, yeah, exponential fade, so you get this bit here, like that. So the music will slowly, like, from loud it'll go to quiet, so it works well. So they're just that's what you do basically, just to get your videos looking nice, especially if you're doing like a trailer sort of thing. See if this will actually work for us now. So yeah, it goes in. Oh my god. Well, the thing's not working today, but maybe if I do it a bit slower, you can see. Yeah, you can see it like this. So basically, from here, it'll slowly dissolves, goes black, then comes in again. But basically, let's say the music's going here, then the bass drop will just be here. So it's here, you press M. No. So you can have a marker where you want, just for you, to help you out, and you can zoom in like this. So when the bass drops, pretend it was here. So the bass drops here, you're probably gonna, what was I gonna say? But make it like dissolve. So that's now the bass drop. If it was on this, the bass drop be over here. So it's like slowly starts going in, then it suddenly hits for the bass drop. So that's the point of these. Obviously, like for this video, I'll be having loads of these little things all the way through, based on the music. But yeah, so that's how to do the film dissolve, is what it's called. Just making it so it goes black with the music, like in trailers. So I hope that was helpful, and yeah, I'll be continuing doing these sort of little tutorials. A few little things just so it's clear and concise and helps people. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.